Here we have our 980 version of camera. So ideal camera for truck or caravan. Reversing or rear view you can use it for is you have full motion up here. Obviously 1080p HD is all our cameras are. A 4-pin aviation plug for connection. So basically you have a case, comes off, you have a base, like a rubber base here. Obviously that goes on the bottom. 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, so I'll mount that wherever you're going to mount it. And your case goes back over, and you've got 4 screws around the outside to hold the case on. And then you've got your adjustments here. So you have, obviously, if it's still mounted like that, you've got full tilt to be facing directly down or back up. So you've got your full range of movement there to adjust it how you need it. Cable, obviously, a cable comes out the back with a grommet supplied here, and then obviously your screws. It's the screws to go from the base into the vehicle, and then your screws to hold the outer case on. So again, a great little camera if you like using it. Again, if you're not getting a monitor from us, make sure you have a 10 or an AHD compatible monitor, because it's obviously going to be high quality. And you will need obviously a 4-pin aviation lead to get it to the display, and you might need an adapter at the other end depending what you need this to come out to.